Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you CarMax how to sell car. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Selling your car to CarMax is a straightforward process, whether you can choose to start online or visit a store. In order to do it, what you need to do first is head over and open up your CarMax app, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged into your account, you'll be seeing the sale option on the bottom of your screen. All you gotta do is tap on get my offer. Then once you're there, what you need to do is enter your car details like VIN, mileage, condition to receive a real and no obligation offer. The offer is valid for 7 days, giving you a time to decide. Then next is to schedule an appointment or walk in. You can schedule an appointment or walk into any CarMax location during the business hours. You can bring your car along with required documents like valid state issued photo ID, vehicle title, current registration, all keys, fobs and remotes, and then in-store appraisal. A CarMax associate will inspect your car to verify its condition. If the car condition matches your online submission, the offer remains the same. Offers are non-negotiable and valid for 7 days. Once the appraisal is complete and all paperwork is in order, you'll receive a payment on the spot. CarMax will handle any lien payoff if you still owe money on the vehicle. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.